there, now that you've done the BB cream, I know your hair is looking absolutely fabulous, frizz-free and smooth, and it's time to maintain it at home. And for that, you need the right products. We recommend using our HairB collection, starting with the HairB shampoo that will cleanse and restore your hair. It will cleanse it from all the buildup residue and oils, but not strip it from the necessary oils that your hair needs, all right? Definitely a must-have after the BB cream. And then you have the HairB mask, my favorite. This is an incredibly reconstructive mask that's really gonna work from the inside out of your cuticle. So it's not only gonna give you healthy looking hair, but actually healthy hair because it deposits all the nutrients into your cuticle, all right? So don't wait, grab your HairB shampoo and mask and continue the journey to gorgeous hair.